This video explains how to buy shares of Archimedes Tech SPAC Partners 2 Company, ticker ATII. The company is listed on the NASDAQ and focuses on technology-related acquisitions. This is an educational walkthrough and not investment advice. To place an order, you will need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ATII to find the right listing. Confirm the search result corresponds to Archimedes Tech SPAC Partners 2 County and select the matching stock from the list. On the asset page, you can review basic company details and an interactive price chart. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker ATII to ensure you are on the correct stock page. Tap the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order summary. Confirm the trade when you are ready. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a limit or market on open instruction. If your account balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before allowing final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio with the transaction details. For convenience, the broker link is in the description below if you want to explore the example platform mentioned.